Soon, fluffy yellow ducklings peeked out, filling the air with joy.
But one egg held a surprise. A large grey duckling emerged slowly. Mother mallard duck loved him all the same, her heart full of warmth. Mother duck proudly led her brood to the shimmering pond. The yellow duckling swam with ease, but the grey one stumbled.
Yet he soon surpassed them all, his strokes strong and true.
Though the world was vibrant and warm, the little gray duckling felt only the shadow of their laughter.
Other mallard duck defended him, but their taunts stung deeper. The other ducks joined in, their laughter sharp and unkind. The other ducks joined in, their laughter sharp and unkind. He felt unwanted, a shadow in their bright, joyful world. His heart heavy with sorrow, he fled into the unknown. Leaving behind the farm, he sought a place to belong. He found refuge in a marsh where wild geese welcomed him warmly. But danger lurked as hunters shattered the peace with loud shots. He hid in fear, escaping the hunter's deadly aim. Seeking shelter, he found a cottage and a woman's weary gaze.
She hoped for eggs, but he could not fulfill her wish.
The hen and cat remained cruel, their scorn ever present. Feeling unwanted still, he chose to leave once more. Winter's icy grip tightened as snow blanketed the land. He struggled to survive, battling cold and hunger's sting. Beneath frozen bushes, he sought a moment of warmth.
At last, spring's gentle touch thawed the frozen world.
Weakened but alive, he emerged into the light. He wandered onward until he found a lake of purest blue.
There, graceful swans glided, their beauty taking his breath away.
He yearned to join them, but fear held him captive.
Gathering his courage, he swam towards the elegant swans. Expecting rejection, he braced himself for their scorn. Then, a glimpse in the water revealed a stunning sight. He was no duckling, but a trumpeter swan, magnificent and bright. The other tundra swans welcomed him, their hearts open and wide. He was home at last, swimming with his own kind, free and joyous. He feels finally that he is free, flying higher than ever before.
He spread his wings and soared, joining the dance in the sky.
Free at last, he flew with grace, a beautiful swan reborn. Swan soars to new heights, higher than ever before.
A single tundra swan flew towards the sun, its silhouette glowing bright. For true beauty lies within, a light that shines for all to see.
And it's vital to be true to yourself, embracing all that you are.
Acceptance awaits when you embrace your true self, soaring free.
True acceptance can be found when you embrace who you truly are.